In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare Abacha and Ugba very fast and easy, so watch to the end. I'm Confidence, welcome to my channel, please subscribe. So I've already added my ungo. The next thing is to add your seasoning cube, and I added my Ugba, and I added my crayfish. After crayfish, I added palm oil, all this on a low heat, and I'm stirring it so it will be well incorporated. After that, I'm checking the texture of the uba if it is done. Then I added my cow skin, which is also known as Pomo. Then I added my abacha in bits and bits. And I'm adding water at intervals. If the thing is too thick, I add water. So I lost the clips of where I added salt and pepper, but I added salt and I added pepper. I'm adding water because I don't want the abacha to be too dry. So I'll keep on stirring till the abacha is well incorporated. There are just so many things you can add to your abacha to make it attractive. You can add eburu, smoked fish, like it just depends on your choice. But this is supposed to be fast and easy. That's why I made it this way. All the ingredients are linked to my previous video will be in the description box. Check it out. So I've already cut my onions and garden egg, and I've already added it, and I'm stirring it all together. Wow, you should be in my kitchen right now. I wish you were in my kitchen. So our child is ready to be eaten. As you can see, I added ogiri on top. I love eating it this way. You should try this and let me know in the comment box. Please subscribe and like. Bye.